Hello, my name is Shanna Dickerson. I am the owner of Blue Sky Luxury Travels. I would love to share a short bio as to how I've ended up here because my story is totally crazy and full of all sorts of twists and turns that you may not know about. So when I graduated from college in North Carolina, University of North Carolina at Wilmington, I moved to Nashville, Tennessee to begin a career in the music business and more specifically concert promotion and production. So I produced some of the biggest acts on the planet, from the Rolling Stones and Jay-Z and Kenny Chesney. I mean, you name it. So it was a really, really great job. But I struggled every year with, is it more important to stay where you are, climb the corporate ladder, say, okay, well, when I'm 60, I'm going to retire to the destination of my choice? Or do you go now? Do you go when you're younger and say, I'll figure out work and I'm just going to take a leap? And so that's what I did. When I turned 30, which was in 2010, I sold everything and I downsized into a couple suitcases. I spent my remaining savings and I relocated to St. John in the US Virgin Islands to start a business. It was absolutely terrifying. Not many people were supportive of my decision, basically, other than about my parents. But good thing I don't listen to a lot of people and went anyway. And it was really terrifying. It honestly was. But the best decision I ever made, because, now it's a multi-million-dollar business. It's a global company. It's led to so many amazing other opportunities, such as a nonprofit called Blue Sky Relief Foundation that I have recently created. So there's so many wonderful opportunities, but being an entrepreneur is extremely difficult and it's not for everybody. And along the way, I have had some huge setbacks, so huge that I didn't think that the business was going to continue. But with grit and being positive, then you're able to overcome them. One of them that was huge, it's actually two of them, were the storms of 2017, the hurricanes of Irma and Maria. They absolutely destroyed my business. I had to take out, I didn't have to, I chose to take out my entire 401k, tax at 20% to regrow Blue Sky. Thankfully, it worked. Then we got nailed with COVID, a year and a half ago or so at this point, and the business started to do this again. But I'll tell you something, with where the business is now, so we're still in the pandemic, but with where the business is now, I have grown 1,100% with the numbers of Blue Sky since pre-COVID. So it's just, you're going to have setbacks as an entrepreneur. And I am here to tell you that dust yourself off, get up and pivot and figure out a different way to make it work, because that's what being an entrepreneur is all about. So I'm really excited for the opportunities of where the business is going, more incredible destinations, the best of the best all around the world, more great partnerships with private jet companies. So I really look forward to what the future holds for Blue Sky, and especially the nonprofit that I created. Very excited about that as well. So that's my story. I hope it inspires others, and y'all have a great day. Bye.